PUBG, it tests sa Intel i5 4590. So, it's clocked at 3.30 GHz at ang graphics card ay GT 710. By the way guys, ang GT 710, yan ang pinakamahina na graphics card pero also the cheapest. Gusto ko pakita sa inyo ang performance ng PUBG. Yan pong resolution 1440p by 1440 by 900. So, I started PUBG from Steam. Nang gusto ko pakita sa inyo performance niya kasi ang PUBG is one of the hindi pinaka-optimized games. So, it's really hard to run. Dapat high-end ang system mo to get a decent ng performance. So, makita nyo sa screen ngayon na ang FPS, we're getting around 12 FPS at ang i5 is running at 100% and the GT 710 is also running at 100%. So, it's really struggling even the CPU. Pero I think kung lagyan nyo to ng GT 1030 or RX 580 or GTX 1050 Ti, I think you can get around mga above 45 na FPS. So gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo kung kamusta ang performance niya. And para sa next game natin guys, nagload ako ng Firelight 84. I think Firelight 84 is one of the most optimized games kasi I ran it sa isang low spec na system before. It ran perfectly talaga. So makita nyo mataas ang FPS natin. We're getting around 40, 50. So, okay talaga ang performance niya. Gusto ko lang pakita sa inyo ang difference niya sa PUBG. So, makita nyo, we're getting around 60 FPS, 59, 63. And then, sa GT 710, sa upper left, makita nyo, is running at 100% utilization. At ang i5 4590 is not even breaking a sweat. 50% lang ng CPU power ang kinukuha niya. So, makita nyo, yung game talaga optimized. So, if you want to play Firelight 84, nang bilhan nyo lang ng GT 1030, okay na kayo, or GTX 1050 or RX 580, as long as makaya ng power supply nyo, okay talaga. So, I think you're gonna get much mataas, mga 100 FPS gaming performance niya. Ang next game naman guys is Diablo Immortal. So, gusto ko lang try kasi sa mga viewers ko ay naglaro ng Diablo Immortal. I don't know why, pero ang game parang hindi siya optimized, parang very demanding siya, especially sa graphics. Kasi if you play this sa phone nyo, medyo demanding talaga, like 30 gig ang size ng game na to. So makita nyo, ng GT 710 is at 100%. By the way, naka-low to Pakita ko lang sa inyo, yan sa graphics, yan, set ko lang sa uncap, everything, yan, quality selection, low, yan, set ko lang sa low, lahat na low, everything, yan, pakita ko lang sa inyo na everything is set sa low. So, yan, we're getting 28 FPS at ang CPU naka-clock is running at 3.2 GHz, 3.6. Ang CPU, ang i5 4th gen is running at 50 and then GT 710 is at 100%. The graphics card is holding us back. So, kung i-pair natin to sa maganda na graphics card, okay talaga ang performance to. So, if you have a 4th gen na i5 or i3, just get a GT 1030 kasi around 4,000 pesos. You don't need to change your power supply kasi it doesn't require external power. Okay na siya, plug and play na lang. So, that's why I usually recommend it kahit maraming mura dyan. So, GT 1030, okay talaga. There are some na mga malakas na graphics card na pwede mo ma-pair dito. Pero makita ko ang pinaka-available sa Shopee is GT 1030. You also have RX 580. It costs around 3,000 to 4,000. Mas malakas yan sa GT 1030. And GTX 1050 Ti and then GTX 1660. So that price goes from 4,000 to 8,000 na sobrang mahal na. So makita nyo dito, ang performance niya is at 27 to 28 na FPS. So parang okay na talaga kung sino gusto magkalaro nito. And last na game guys, Call of Duty Warzone, ang paborito ng lahat. So it gave me a warning na low memory and then I just click OK and then the game ran, pero it's not what you expect. So marami siyang checks and other stuff na gusto niya malaman ng game. And then nag-restart ang game, it gave me an error na it cannot run properly kasi due to my low memory, which is the graphics card. Ang sobrang hina. So, this is it guys for the video today. Yan ang result in running So we tested PUBG, Farlight, Diablo Immortal, and Warzone. So Warzone wala talaga. So guys, if you like this kind of content na tinetest ko ang mga games sa different na mga PC build, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment kung may mga suggestions kayo. As always, thank you for watching. Peace!